Hey guys, today we're making a trellis for one of my garden planting beds. We got some cucumber plants that are just growing like crazy, and just want to get them up off the ground. So this is my garden. This bed has the cucumbers in it, and this is where I'm going to put the trellis. So the thinking with this is we only have 2 plants, but they're growing in both directions across the bed. So I'm going to have 2 basically 45-degree angles and have the plants, have this set over the middle of the plants so the vines can grow both directions up the trellis. And then hoping that the cucumbers will actually hang down on the slope side from the plant, so they'll be really easy to pick and they'll be up off the ground. Okay, here's the trellis all put together. Kind of had to cobble it together with leftover sticks that I had laying around, but I think it turned out pretty good. I think the cucumbers will be happy. Hey guys, if you like what you're seeing, subscribe to my channel where you'll find more DIY adventures. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.